How to change your email address on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your email address on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram Lite, and here you will find your profile. Click on it and then click these three lines in the top corner, and here you will find settings, and then click security, not security, click account. And now here you will find personal information. Click on it, and here you will find your email. If you want to change it, just type any email you want here and then click save. And that's it, it's easy. And then all you need to do is just to confirm your email, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.